Let's create a mirror modifier. So we can go to add modifier, okay, click on mirror, tab, go into edit mode. And now if I move one of these, we can see that it's being mirrored on the other side. G, we can see it's a mirror. And this is great for things that are symmetric. For example, if you're making a human, if you're making a face, you would do this. You would make it as a mirror so that way you only need to model one side of the face and it's automatically created on the other side. So there's a few different ways you can have this. Is you can just have it separate like this and it doesn't merge, or what we're going to do is we're going to do a loop cut real quick. Control R right here, click, click. So you double click it. So Control R creates the loop. You click once, that does the loop highlight, in which if you move it, you can change the location. If you click again, it sets it. So you want to double tap it quickly. So we have the cut directly in the center. I'm going to do 3, click on this face, X, and I'm going to click vertices. And we notice it doesn't look like it's different. But real quick, over here, I'm going to click on the camera icon. Click on the, this one, the screen icon. So by clicking on the screen icon, we can see that this is the actual mesh. And it's not applying the mirror modifier to our view. So by clicking on this, now we can actually see it. Now, if I hit apply, what's going to happen is these two are going to be two separate. What the modifier is generating and then also what the actual mesh is. What we need is something called clipping. And what the clipping does is essentially it merges the 2 points. So I'm going to click on clipping. And now if I hit A, G, you notice how it just stays in the center? That's because it can't move. It cannot move in the X direction because it's mirrored. It's merged together. So if I go in and apply, exit out of edit mode, go in and apply this, tab, 1, to G, we can see it's merged.